2016 Subaru Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, stability control, backup camera, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, climate control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.